Hello everybody, my name is Aditya.
My name is Pratham.
We are the twins. Today we are going to teach you how to make a flying saucer out of your snap circuit set. You will need a press switch, a fan, a tree, a battery and a motor. So first take the 3-piece and put it like this. Then take the battery piece and put it one block away from the 3. Then take the press switch and put it like this. Take the motor and put it like this. Make sure the plus is down. Then take the fan and put it on top of the motor. Your flying saucer is ready. Pratham, do you want to add anything?
You can also use the slide switch so you can keep it on as long as you want. You can also play catch with the fan.
Bye everybody.